Hi everyone, today in this video training I'm going to show you how to create a bar chart in Microsoft Excel. Well friends, here I have got a simple datasets, top selling products and number of sales. Okay, to create a bar chart I'm going to select the data range, both the data and the header. Okay, here you can see I have selected all the data and now I'm going to navigate to insert in the ribbon, click insert. And here you can see chart group. Just click on chart group and here you can see 2D column. And here you can see 3D column. And here you can see 2D bar. And it's the bar chart, 2D bar chart. I'm going to select the clustered bar. Just click on it. And here you can see I have got the bar chart. Okay, let's change the title first. Sales. Okay, let's change the title. Sales chart. And on the right here you can see plus sign, click on it and here you can see chart item. If you want you can insert data level, just click on it and you can see we have got the level and click on this. You can change the style of your chart. Click on here. Now you see the chart style is changed. Click over here. Now you can see another color, another style of chart. Okay, now click on color. You can see lots of color set. If you want, you can also change the color of your chart. Okay, now here you can see filter. If you want, you can remove any field. Say for example, I don't want the CPU cooler. Just check it and hit apply and now CPU cooler is removed. Okay, so click on names. From here you can change the names also. Now you can go to the ribbon and here you can see change chart type. Just click on here. Now I can also change the chart type. Here you can see column. Click on it and click on here and click OK. Now here you can see the chart type is changed and now see the style. Click on here. Click on here. You can see lots of styles. That's it. Pretty simple. Now, I believe you will be able to create a bar chart in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.